Okay, what day is it? It's,
Thursday.
Well, it is Thursday, but
it's the 31st.
we've been here for about a week now, and guess who just arrived?
Ah,
This guy, John's here! Alright, now Trevor's up here driving. I can't really see the screen, but he's driving on the right side of the car, left side of the road. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was driving a little earlier. It's fun. I feel like it gets a little weird. The roundabouts get funky, and the blinker is on the other side, so we've each turned the wipers on like 100 times accidentally, thinking it was the blinker. But we're on a road trip. We are 7 hours in to a road trip up the coast from Sydney to the Great Barrier Reef. We want to see the Great Barrier Reef and go diving and stuff and learn to surf and have a good time up there. But that involves a lot of driving. So day one, we're going to drive 9 hours up to Byron Bay and up through Brisbane and to the Sunshine Coast, and then continue north over the next few days. So by the time you're watching this video, we may be at the Great Barrier Reef. Then Tissel has to go home, but we've got another few days with Tissel, and hopefully I'll post another video before he leaves. So we'll get a video once we're at the Great Barrier Reef. How about that? But for now, signing out.